intend doing about it?
Well, there's very little we can do, Mr. Trevelian. Sheep rustling is endemic in Wales. You'll get the insurance money. Why worry about it?
Because they are my sheep, that's why. I know each one individually, man.
I bet he does.
What? What was that?
Nothing, no.
Now look, I'm down to my last 20, right? They're as nervous as hell up there, poor things. If I catch anyone on my land, I'll blow their brains out. That is, if they've got brains. Otherwise, I'll just splatter their heads. Anyone. Trespassers, rustlers, shaggers. Why? It's like Sodom and Gomorrah up there sometimes. If my sheep aren't being stolen, they are choking to death on discarded condoms. That's why they are chewing all the time. I'll kill anyone I catch. I'm a farmer. I'm crazy. Everyone knows that.
Yes, well, all I can say is that it would be considered unreasonable force in the circumstances. They'd bang you away for it.
Let them. I'm too crazy to care.
Who's that?
Len Trevelian.
What's he on about? Sheep rustling can't be that profitable, can it?
It's a very lucrative business, boys. Fresh Welsh lamb can fetch up to £3.50 a pound.
Hey, off! Oh, aye, right. They're abducting sheep.
Why would Martians abduct sheep?
Well, maybe they think the sheep are us. They're friends, like.
Well, it's possible. They've only had Walter to compare them with.
I got it. We're rich.
Bridget! Dora! You sheep-stealing bastards!
It wasn't us, Mr. Trevelian. It was the Martians.
Don't give me that! You're all in this together, I know that. You think I'm crazy? Well,
You do seem a bit tense.
tense! I'll show you who's tense when I have your heads up on lampposts on the sparkling highway. What have you done with my sheep? Where have you taken them?
We haven't got them, Mr. Trevelian. We think the Martians thought they were people.
People! A sheep is a loving, caring creature, you silly old bat. People are degenerate scum.
You've got a point.
Silence! Look here, you. If you don't tell me where my sheep are by the time I count to 3, I'm gonna shoot you a ugly little pinched face off your shoulders. 1, 2.
Oh, Mr. Trevelian.
You!
Yes, Mr. Trevelian, look, I have told you before, you can't go around blowing people's heads off.
What's that? Come on! Get out now!
Don't shoot.
My God, it's Phil Blamey. Yes.
There's another one in there.
Come on, Mr. Trevelian is insane. You'd be wise not to cross him.
My God, Mary is Lucy Dumpling.
Philip!
Phyllis.
And you promiscuous fat harlot, she's a slut. Sooner a slut than a dried-up old dyke like you. Dyke! I'll rip your eyes out, you trollop!
Listen! He's coming back! Make your land, or I'll kill you all. Each and every one of you. Starting with Steven Spielberg there. You know the format. I'll dispatch him at the count of 3. 1!
That was a helicopter, Sergeant Paul. You could see it when it took off. They wasn't Martians, that was them sheep rustlers.
Yeah, it's best we keep our theories to ourselves, Dwight. I mean, the sheep have gone. Whether they end up on local dinner tables or having their rectums investigated on Mars, it makes no essential difference, does it? Let people believe what they want. We don't want to attract unnecessary attention to our little community, do we?
No, right enough, Sergeant Paul. Hey, you couldn't fit enough sheep into a helicopter to make smuggling them worthwhile, or could you?
Oh, I don't know about that. You can fit 19 adult sheep at a time into the cockpit of a police helicopter, providing you chloroform them first and know how to pack them in like that.
Hey, why did the helicopter come back then?
I contacted the pilot, told him to circle back. I thought the distraction might give me a chance to get the drop on Trevelian. I was right, too. In a way, like.